Planers are invaluable tools that allow you to turn old, worn, weathered, and beaten up boards into usable straight, flat pieces of lumber. The problem with most standard planers is their sheer size and cost-prohibitive pricing. But if you're not working with wood larger than 2.5 inches wide or 6 inches thick, you'll do just as well with a more affordable and portable benchtop planer. These tools provide the utility of a planer in a smaller package that's much less expensive, which is why you'll find them in the workshops of many woodworking and carpentry hobbyists and professionals. When it was time to upgrade our antiquated planer recently, we decided to test as many as possible and determine which benchtop planer is the top performer. Below you'll find 10 of the best benchtop planers with reviews and a buyer's guide. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop planers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 13/3/9 2-speed thickness planer. Those in the market for a high-capacity planer with plenty of features should consider the DeWalt 13-inch thickness planer. This benchtop planer can handle materials up to a 13-inch width capacity with a 6-inch height. This heavy planer weighs in at 92 pounds, and we found its weight was beneficial in keeping it in one place during operation. We put the planer on a reinforced work surface. This tool is too heavy for most portable type bolt holes in the base. We're familiar with the high quality of many DeWalt tools, and this thickness planer is no exception. It boasts a powerful 15-amp motor and a 3-blade cutter head that spins at 10,000 RPM. It can be set to plane off as much as 1/8 inch of wood in a single pass. It comes standard with front and back stainless steel infeed and outfeed tables that help support the boards as they pass through the planer. Number 2. Craftsman Electric Benchtop Thickness Planer 15-amp. As a reasonably priced wood planer that can handle up to 12-inch boards, the Craftsman Electric Benchtop Thickness Planer is worth a look. The manufacturer has a long and reputable history of making durable tools and quality machines. At just 61 pounds, the Craftsman was a bit easier to lift and position on the work surface, but we noted that lighter weight resulted in the machine walking just a bit when we planned large hardwood boards. Fortunately, there's a simple solution: just bolt it down to a workbench. The benchtop planer has a 15-amp motor that produces cutter speeds up to 8,000 RPM. Thanks to its 2-blade straight knife cutter design, it provides 16,000 cuts per minute, which we found to be more than adequate for most small cabinetry and furniture building projects. This Craftsman planer accepts boards up to 6 inches tall, and it comes with a safety bump on-off switch on the front and a precision gauge along the side for selecting the correct cutting height. Number 3. Makita 2012 NB12 Portable Planer. Anyone looking for a portable planer that provides extra maximum thickness for timber frame mailbox posts, say, or heavy furniture should check out the 2012 NB 12-inch planer from Makita. This machine has an above-average 6'3" 32-inch maximum height capacity, which is slightly higher than the others we tested. The real draw of the Makita 2012 NB comes in its stability and quiet operation. The Makita is remarkably stable for its relatively light weight of just 61 pounds. It didn't walk or shift, even when we ran large hardwood boards through, making it one of the best portable thickness planers that need to be moved frequently without bolting down. Plus, though hearing protection is still recommended, it's noticeably quieter than the other models we tested, a sound output of 83 decibels, according to the manufacturer. The other planers don't list the decibel factor but were, in our estimation, about a quarter louder than the Makita. Number 4. When 2.5 15-amp 2-blade thickness planer. Those looking for a robust planer for resurfacing rough or reclaimed lumber or smoothing and thinning new lumber may want to consider the WEN 15-amp thickness planer. We found the WEN planer well suited to removing up to 1/8 inch of wood from the surface of boards up to 2.5 inches wide. In addition, it handles board heights of up to 6 inches. With 10,000 RPM, This planner offers plenty of power for smoothing rough wood. Its 2 straight blades make up to 20,000 cuts per minute. The height adjustment handle on this planner is slightly smaller than some, and it's located at the top of the machine, but it still follows the same general rule of 1 turn equals 1/16 inch. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.